Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you good budget how to add income. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Adding income in good budget is a key step to keep your budgeting accurate and up to date. To do it, simply head over and open up your good budget application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, in order to add a new transaction, simply tap on this pencil icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then that will let you to add a transaction. Now all you gotta do is simply select the account where you want to receive the income, then enter the amount and date, and then select the category as income if required. Then lastly review all the details and then tap on save. Then lastly what you need to do is go to the fill envelopes to distribute the income in your envelopes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.